And good evening to all of you, and Merry Christmas, Happy New Year's. It's an honor being here and celebrating the holidays with all of you. One of the things that I was asked to talk about is New Year's. And I know that New Year's is a very happy occasion for many of us because we're all looking forward to the wonderful year ahead. Nothing has happened yet. We're all very positive, we're very energetic. And I encourage all of you to keep that positivity and energy throughout the year. I know that some of us sometimes encounter challenges and we get bogged down by them. And you know, our energy goes a little bit lower than we'd like it to be. So keep that energy up. Also, many of us have goals, such as losing weight or increasing our financial wealth. But I challenge all of you to think about yourselves as individuals and think about some of your character traits. Some of them may not be the most wonderful things that you may like about yourself, but you can change that this year. You can make that one of your goals. I know common ones are